and Aubrey was her name. A not so very ordinary girl or name, but who's to blame?